This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Codenames Duet. This cooperative game challenges two players to work as a team, identifying all 15 secret agent words on the grid. You will succeed by finding all of your agents before encountering any assassins or exhausting your 9 allowed turns. Each player takes on the role of both clue giver and guesser during the game. This unique setup creates a truly engaging and collaborative experience. To begin, create a 5x5 grid using 25 word cards face up on your playing surface. Next, position the key card in its stand, ensuring only the players giving clues can see it. This key card reveals the 15 words that are your secret agents, along with 9 innocent bystanders and 3 deadly assassins. Remember, each player sees a slightly different configuration of agents and assassins on their respective side of the key card. It sets the stage for unique challenges. When it is your turn to give a clue, think carefully about the words on the grid. You must provide one single word that connects to at least one of your team's agent words. Immediately after your clue word, state a number, which signifies how many target words your clue relates to. For instance, you could say ocean 3 to indicate 3 related agent words. Always ensure your clue does not contain any part of the word cards on the table. This constraint requires creative thinking. After receiving a clue, the other player begins making guesses by pointing to words on the grid. If they correctly identify an agent word for their side, place a green agent token on it. If they choose an innocent bystander word, cover it with a beige bystander token, and the turn concludes immediately. However, if they mistakenly select an assassin word, the game ends at once, resulting in a loss for both players. Therefore, choose your guesses with extreme caution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.